I know that starting a new project can be tough. It feels like there's so many things that you have to do that sometimes you never get past the little things and get to creating. We're constantly trying to figure out how we can help you get past these little hurdles. We introduced something today that will hopefully make launching a new project a lot easier. So I'm in Aweber. I'm going to go to my list settings. And this is where I set all of the basic information about my list, or about my project, really. And then if I click on personalize your list, you can see that I can add a new logo or image for my project. This is an area where we often see people spin their wheels, figuring out a logo for their new thing. It really shouldn't block you. So we've added the Canva button here to help you create logos quickly for your new project. All I have to do is click Design on Canva, and that will open up Canva inside of Aweber and give me lots of templates for logos to start from. So let's say I have a new blog. I'm just going to scroll through here until I find something that looks cool. I kind of like this one. I mean, it's in the fashion section, but it just looks cool. So I can go in here, click, move things around, add new elements to my image. But I'm just going to put my blog in here. And I'm from Havertown, PA. That's where I live. Then when I'm done, all I have to do is click Save to Aweber. It's going to do its magic, prep things up, and add it right to my site. So not only can I use this image on my broadcast archive, but it's in my global image gallery, so I can use it in my landing pages and messages as well, without having to recreate it or download or upload. Hopefully that helps get you started quickly, and I can't wait to hear what feedback you have and see what you make.